So let me ask you a question. What if you have 10 user in your project? Means you are doing any project for particular client or particular for any client or any customer, both is same, any type of the plant. So in plant they have 10 operator. So will you add them in one by one in FactoryTalk? This is right or wrong? That would take a lot of time, right? Because of one by one you will add. If one user you are adding and it's taking example 2 minutes. So for 10 user it will take 20 minutes. So how you can reduce this time? So let's today lecture we are going to learn how to add window link user group in FactoryTalk. I hope you will enjoy this lecture because this is very important lecture. So you should learn. So what is the question of today? Why do we use window link user group instead of individual user? Means we can use individual user also. Either we can use one operator group and we can add 4 operator into one operator for the same property. Second question is what happen when we add a window link user group? What are the prerequisites before adding a group? What are the steps to add window link user group? So let's start. Why do you use window link user individual? Because of to move window account from one domain to another domain or one work group to another work group. If you have window 10 not window 11 pro single edition, so only you can use domain. This is first thing. And if you are practicing this with the help of this video, so in your personal laptop have window home edition. So in window home edition you cannot add window domain, you can add only window work group. So it's recommended to use window link user account instead of individual user account. And window link user group account and the user instead and the user inside them can move from domain if you have window 11 pro edition. If you have window 11 pro edition, then you can move one domain to another while they are security. Or if you have windows single home edition, so you can do these things. You can move one domain means one work group to another work group while keeping their security permission intact. What happens when you will add window link group? When a window link user group is added, all users in that window group get access FactoryTalk system. Means it's very simple. You have a 10 operator and you created a one group name is operator. So you can add all operator users into group. So no need to add one by one. You can give property in one group, for other it will take automatically, means for other user it will take automatically. If you want to block a specific user from the group, then you can block very easily. Create a window link user account, those user set permission to access deny, so you can block particular user also. And what are the prerequisites before adding the group? Before adding the link user group, the computer must be connect window domain connecting containing the user group. If window domain is not connected, if computer is not connected to window domain, so no problem. It means you don't have Window Pro license, means Windows 10 or Windows 11. Nowadays industry using Windows 11. How you can add window link user group into FactoryTalk system? As I was already told, after theory series, I will create a video on practical. So practical series is started. So let's see how you can add window link user group into FactoryTalk system. Simply in the search bar, you need to search FactoryTalk Administrator Console. FactoryTalk FactoryTalk you can write administrator add administrator console. Can see now FactoryTalk Administrator Console, and simply you need to open it. So in step 1, you need to open FactoryTalk Administrator Console. Then you need to select here local directory or network directory. If you are using network directory, so you should select network directory. Either local directory using, so no need to select network, you need to select local directory. Click on OK. After that, you need to add window link user. So how you can add? This is very interesting question, because this is the main result of this video. So from here you can click on system. If you open FactoryTalk Administrator Console, but window link user group is not showing, so you should click on system. Then you will able to see window and group. So expand window user, and here right click on new. So here you can see, here you can see window link user, means this user will connected, this particular user group will connect from window, not FactoryTalk. So click on window link user. So here you can see, click the add button to select one or more window user. Where need to click add button. When you will click add the create button, a new link user will be created. For each window user group you have to select. Yes, you have to select. So click on it. Here you can see select the object type from this location. This is SP laptop, means this is location name of laptop. So maybe your laptop name is different, not maybe 100%. So if your laptop is different, so here you will see different name based on your laptop name. After that, you should click here advanced. In advanced option, you can see here object type from this location. So directly you want to click find now. So here you can see different type of user group, not different type of, means more user group. So for users, you can see users and users mode hardware operation, user manage account, system manage account, Rockwell service, remote management service, and monitor and performs ICSS internet information service, and many more users groups. So you can add according to your requirement. Example, you can select the Rockwell service, click on OK. And one more thing, if you want to add user group, so manually also you can write, but in manually first you should write your laptop name, then slash you can write another name. I will show you how you can add manually. Click on OK and OK. So this method you can use for use a window link user. In the next video I will show you how you can add user, new user group, how you can add user into window group, how you can add user into window, how to change property of window user, and how to link window group into. So in the next video I will show you how you can add user, because now you added only user group, so you need to create user also. Then in user means operator, how many you have? 10 operator example, so you need to create 10 user, and all 10 user you should add in particular window link, window user group means user group. And whenever you will change here setting, so it will reflect for our window operator 4. So how you can create user, how you can change setting of user group, in the next video I will show you. Until then, keep watching, keep learning. If this video help you, so please hit the like button and subscribe my YouTube channel for never miss new update. Thank you for watching. See you in the next lecture. Until then, keep watching, keep learning, keep growing, keep earning, and please don't forget, keep safe.